In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most killer YouTube thumbnails that get clicked every time with your computer for free. And we're getting after it right now. What's up everybody, this is Jackson Wilkie with the YouTube Agents. If you want to learn all the tips and tricks on how to grow a huge YouTube channel for your real estate business that gets you millions of dollars of free leads each and every month, just like we do, then start now by subscribing to this channel and tap that little bell so you're notified every time we do a new video. If you ever want to see that video that has us getting all those free leads each and every day, then go to Living in Portland, Oregon, subscribe to that channel and see what we're doing, and then start doing them in your market to dominate today. All right, so I did an incredible video on how you can do killer YouTube thumbnails with your mobile phone. That video is right here, but don't watch that until the end of this one. But yeah, that's an incredible video to teach you how to do it on your phone. But I also make really killer thumbnails on my computer. Now I use two different thumbnails because sometimes it's just different messages. So what I want to do is show you how for free you can make killer YouTube thumbnails on your laptop, your computer, or whatever you got. Because the thumbnails are the most important part. It's about 90% of your click-through rate is going to be because of that killer thumbnail. So your thumbnails have got to pop, people got to know what they mean, and you got to grab their attention. So in order to show you just how easy it is to make a killer YouTube thumbnail, let's go to my computer right now. All right, so we are going to build a killer thumbnail with the computer. So what I do is use PicMonkey. So you want to go to PicMonkey.com. It's totally free, and it is the raddest platform ever for thumbnails. If you've seen a lot of my videos, I drop a map with the arrow pointing to certain neighborhoods. This is how I do that too. I will show that in a later video, but what we want to do is go right here to create new, blank canvas, and go down and find YouTube. There's the YouTube buttons. We want YouTube thumbnail. That is a perfect YouTube thumbnail template. You can name it if you want. I never do. And you're going to have this perfect square. Now the killer thing about PicMonkey is you can drag anything in here and it uploads immediately. So what I mean by that is if you go to your editor, let's say after every video I do, I shoot from my thumbnail. So there it is. So the trick is you hit Shift Command 4, and that allows you not to just screenshot your computer, but pick where the screenshot goes. So now I have this arrow. So what I'm going to do is actually just screenshot right here, and I'm going to use that as my thumbnail, which you guys saw when you clicked on the video. So now I've got that. Just throw this out of here. My screenshots just, are right there. If not, they go to my desktop, but boom, drag it in. There it is. So one of two things. I am actually not going to use, I'm going to show you how you can erase the background, but watch this entire video, and then after this, go, if you haven't yet, and learn how on the mobile, on my cell phone, I actually make my thumbnails, because I do a two-part when I use this. I actually use Superimpose X, and I mask out myself and put that killer outline, and then I drag it in here and finish my thumbnails. So when I do all my thumbnails, it's usually two parts. But I will show you, if you don't want to use Superimpose X and you want to get rid of the background, this is what you do. So right here, you can see right here it says erase. Tap that. Here's your brush size. So all you got to do is just you click it and start dragging around. And you would do this and just clean everything up. You can make your brush size a lot smaller, and then you just start zooming in and make this brush size really small, and then you can get really close. So that is one way how you can get a border. So let's say you had it all erased. You could go in and enter any background color you want, whatever, and obviously all that green would be gone, but that's how you do that. So what I'm going to do, and since I've already done it, I'm not going to teach you right now how to do the outline on Superimpose X on my phone. I'm just going to drag in what I've already done into here and then finish it off. All right, so what I already did is I went and Superimpose X, and I made my mask that I'm going to bring in here. So blank canvas, again, we're going to go find YouTube, and we find the thumbnail, hit create, and now I've got a blank canvas. Okay, so I've already got them. What I want to do is actually just grab them, drag it in. So there's one, and then I'm going to find the other one that I did. I actually grabbed a because since this is a computer, in Superimpose X, I found a computer screen and I just cut it out too. So now I have those. I drug these in and I've got them. I'll probably downsize this a little bit, have it right there. And I like to make myself really big and stand out. So it'll probably be something like that. And that's it. So what I like to do is make sure you select the whole thing. And we are going to color the background. Now what I like to do is go here to textures. And I use metal, so I go find metal, and I love this one. So that's my background, so we'll apply that, and then we're gonna start adding our text. Super easy. You go right here to graphics, basic, and I grab about 3 or 4 of these and just throw them out there. Just click, 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 and then we'll just drag these out of the way for now. So the first one, I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller and put it over here closer. So the first one, I like to tilt these a little bit, and I'm gonna make them bigger, about like that. Okay, and now I'm actually gonna change that first one. I'll make it a cool color like green, and then text. So then you click right here to text, add text, and if you just start a new one, it's not gonna come up Impact. But Impact is the font that I love to use. So I just double click here and I'm gonna write make. Now obviously we don't want green, so I'll double click that, triple click that actually, and just change that to all white. And slam this up here right in the middle. And I will turn it a little bit so it's even and make it bigger. So I just got to turn it a touch. There we go. So that is how we get the block and the letter. Now I'm just going to go real quick and make a few more. All right, so as you can see, I went real quick and I said make awesome thumbnails. Now, here's something really cool what I'm going to do. I'm going to hit Shift Command 4, and that allows me to screenshot just like I showed you earlier. And I'm going to screenshot this thumbnail. So I'll have a screenshot of it just like this. And that's going to pop up right here. I'm just going to drag it right back in. Now it hit there and it's the same size as mine, so I'm going to drag it way down. And I am going to put that right on the inside of here, and it's going to look, you know, this is the one we're actually making. And look at how cool that is. It looks like it's on my computer screen. So, making awesome thumbnails with the computer. And that is how I make these rad thumbnails using Superimpose X with my phone and also with PicMonkey. I think this is very catchy. You know exactly what it means. And these are the thumbnails that just absolutely crush right now. So, that's how I'm doing it. All right, so now you can see just how easy it is with PicMonkey. I use PicMonkey so much for way more than just my thumbnails, but I can do that in later videos. That's what I do. I teach you how to grow a massive YouTube channel for your real estate business with tons of tips and tricks. So if this is your first time to this channel, make sure you tap that subscribe button and click that little bell so you're notified every time I do a new video. And if you ever want the ultimate playbook on how to do YouTube for real estate, I made a killer course. It's always down in the link below, but it covers everything you need to know from downloading a video to uploading it, how to edit them, everything you need to know. So it's the ultimate playbook, and if you use the promo code YTAgents, you get a big discount on that. So, well, until the next video, we'll catch you later.